An architect is designing a museum entrance way in the shape of a parabolic arc represented by the equation y equals negative x squared plus 20x. All dimensions are expressed in feet. Determine its maximum height in feet. Okay, if it's in a parabolic shape, y-axis, x-axis, the arc is going to look like this. You're looking for the maximum height. In order for you to find the maximum height, first of all, okay, it's not really accurate, but first of all, you need to find the axis of symmetry. We need to find axis of symmetry here, this point here. After that, you substitute whatever the number we get here in this equation to find the value of y. The axis of symmetry, x equals negative b over 2a, where a is the coefficient of x squared, in this case is negative 1, the number beside x squared, and b equals positive 20. Now we'll substitute this in here, so that's negative b, which is negative 20, divided by 2 times a, which is negative 1. That's going to be negative 20 over negative 2 is positive 10. You're looking for determine the maximum height. The maximum height. We got the axis of symmetry is 10, but that's not the right choice. Okay, you take this 10 and substitute it in this equation, which is y equals negative 10 to the power of 2 plus 20 times x, which is 10. That's going to be negative 100, negative 10 squared, which is 100, negative 100 plus 200, that's going to be positive 100. And that's the answer, choice B, which is this point, the height. Alright, so the coordinates of this one is 10 and 100. Another way to do this problem is that you find it with the graphing calculator. You do it with the graphing calculator. Go to y equals negative x to the power of 2 plus 20x, and when you graph that, of course your graph is going to be out of this window because the maximum height of this window is 10, but your maximum height here is going to be 100. So what I would do here is I'm going to zoom my graph to fit the graph. Zoom fit. It's not really accurate still. I'm not sure if this is the maximum or not. It seems like the maximum, but I just want to make it more clear. So we're going to go zoom out. Alright, click enter twice. Alright, we need to find the maximum height. How? You go to second, click second, trace the calc. Alright, you need to calculate the maximum. When you find the maximum, left bound, where is the question mark here? Where is the left bound of the maximum? See the cursor is blinking here. I'm just going to move it a little here to make sure that it's on the left bound of the maximum. Hit enter. Now question mark, where is the right bound of the maximum? You're going to move your cursor to the right bound, the right side of the maximum, somewhere in the right side. Enter. And now guess where's the maximum. You're gonna guess the maximum somewhere in here, right? So the maximum is 10 and 100, and that's exactly what we got here. Work well.